Through the dunes where sunlight shimmers, beige gold, the silence hums. Past the thorns, once blooming dreamers, now they're brittle, dry as drums. Mirages float in hazy motion, every step a veiled disguise. Heat and wind in wild devotion, kiss like flames beneath the skies. We forget in dust and fever, truth is hanging by a thread. Castles crumble with no river, love survives but dreams are dead. Oh, the wind cuts deep like metal, burns a voice and cracks the ground. Summer came with no one ready, thirst was buried, never found. In the dunes that glow like fire, through the flowers lost to time. We'll be saved or lost in silence, in the breath between the lines. See them building shapes from nothing, hands of heat on shifting sand. In illusion there's a something, but it slips right through your hand. Voices melt into the distance, echoes drowning in the air. All that's left is our persistence, chasing truth that isn't there. Still we kiss in mad devotion, windswept lips and salted skin. In this world of false emotion, even loss feels like a win. Oh, the wind cuts deep like metal, burns the voice and cracks the ground. Summer came with no one ready, thirst was buried, never found. In the dunes that glow like fire, through the flowers lost to time. We'll be saved or lost in silence, in the breath between the lines. Later soon it doesn't matter, time dissolves in desert air. Moans of lips like drops that scatter into prayers no gods will hear. Wind still cuts and